Welcome back, people, to the next lesson of QGIS course. Professor Piyush here. So in this lesson, I will tell you how to add a geopackage data and what is the database actually and how does it work in QGIS. So databases allow you to store a large volume of associated data in one file. I'm sure you are already familiar with the database management system, which is also known as DBMS, such as LibreOffice Base or MS Access. Same way, GIS applications can also make use of databases. So what does the geopackage means? Geopackage is an open format. It's like a container that allows you to store GIS data in various layers in one single file. If you remember in the previous lesson, I showed you how to add your first layer. So that was like a shapefile format and it was a single file. But in a single geopackage file, you can have multiple shape files and data set organized in that. So the advantage of all these features, it allows you to share data easily and also avoid file duplications in big and large projects. So let me show you how it's done. In order to add any layers from the geo package, so what you have to do, you have to go back again to Open Data Source Manager, and this time go to geo package. You will see a new button here. So we are creating a new database connection. So I will click new. It will take me back to the exercise data set, which I have already shared with you guys. In the bottom, if you go down, there is a geopackage file, which is named as training data.gpkg. That's a geopackage file. You select and open. You will see it is now showing here, but still it's not connected. And now you will see the connect and the remove button are active. Just click connect. You will see all the layers in that package are here: buildings, restaurants, roads, schools. Let me just drag this, and you can see the type of the layers also. It's showing like buildings is a multi-polygon, roads are line strings, and schools are multi-polygon as well. So either you can select one by one holding the shift key, or you can select one layer. Let's say I want to bring buildings first, or let's say I want to bring roads first. So I'll select the roads and click add. Now you will see in my layer panel, I will close this. In my layer panel, the road layer is visible now, and I have in my map canvas the road layers, right? Similarly, I would like you to try yourself by adding layers one by one. Again, I will go to Open Data Source Manager, and this time let me bring the buildings. So I'll select the buildings and add, close. Let me see. Now you can see the building layer is also visible. Next, again, I will go to the data source manager and let's bring the schools, add, close. Now you can see the school layer is here. If I uncheck the box, I can identify the layer, right? So this is the identification of the schools. Same way, you can bring restaurants, right? So very few restaurants are there. So you have to zoom in and see these are the restaurants. So likewise, I would like you to play with this and experiment how you can add data from the geo package. Now in the next lesson, I will show you how to add layers from another data set, which is spatial light data set. So we have covered geo package. Next, I will show you how to deal with this. So see you there.